All right, now we're going to talk about whether things are Pythagorean triples. So Pythagorean triple, that just means if you've got a right triangle, all the sides of the triangle are whole numbers. So like 2, 4, I don't even know. Well, no, that's not a Pythagorean triple, I know that. Hang on. Ooh, why won't it erase? Okay, like a example of a Pythagorean triple, you've got a right triangle, all the sides are whole, 3, 4, 5. That's a Pythagorean triple, okay? But like what's not a Pythagorean triple is if you've got it where one of the sides or lots of the sides of the triangle are either decimals or they're square roots. So like if you had 2.5 and 8.6 and 10, I don't even think this is a triangle. But if you had that, you know, like that's a decimal, so no, that's not a Pythagorean triple just because of those decimals. Okay, so find the missing side length, tell if these form a Pythagorean triple, and then explain. So we're trying to find this side length here. It's a right triangle. Okay, is this going to make a Pythagorean triple? Well, right off the bat, I can see that I've got a decimal here and a decimal there. Decimals mean that no, it's not a triple. Okay. But apparently they still want me to find why. Okay, oh, explain. I have to explain this, okay? It's not a triple because of those decimals. Yay! Okay, not a triple because of the decimals, but apparently they still want me to find that side length, which I would love to do for you, but I did not bring my calculator. Well, I guess I will just have to pause here. I'm back. Okay, I got my calculator out of the drawer. Now I can finish doing this problem. I gotta figure out what the missing side length is. Okay, well, this is just back to normal. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, the side across from the little right angle, that's your C. The other sides are your A and B. Okay, so A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Fill it in. A, that's the side that I have is X. Let's get a new color. Okay, so X squared plus, now the B is 2.5, so plus 2.5 squared, that's my dog Peanut, equals C, that's 6.5 squared, okay? So X squared plus 2.5 squared, let's see what that is. Go ahead, I got the calculator. 2.5 squared is 6.25. Equals 6.5 squared is 42.25. Okay, now I need to solve that for x, so I'm going to move this 6.25 over here with subtraction. Okay, so 42.25 minus 6.25 equal, 36. Okay. So x squared is 36, and now I want to get rid of that square. So to get rid of the square, I take the square root. So x equals 6. So this side over here is 6. Okay? Same thing for this question. Find the missing side length. This one, tell if it's a Pythagorean triple and explain. Okay, well this time these are whole numbers, so I just got to find out if this one over here is going to be a whole number. So, what did I do? Stop. Oh God. What happened? I don't even know what's going on right now. Close. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. I didn't want to have to do a whole new recording just because I opened up the wrong window. Okay, find the missing side length. Tell if the sides form a Pythagorean triple. What's happening here? Oh my God. Okay. So, across from the right angle, that's your C. And then the other ones are your A and B. All right, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Fill it all in. I'm not even going to change color because that's how I messed it up last time. Okay, so your A, that's 2. So 2 squared plus x squared equals, the C is 7, so 7 squared. 2 squared is 4 plus x squared equals 49. Minus 4 from both sides. So x squared equals 45. Now we want to take the square root of that to get rid of this square. Okay, so x equals the square root of 45, which is not going to have, it's not going to have a nice square root. You can't find the square root of 45 unless you want a decimal. So let's just practice simplifying radicals here. The square root of 45, remember we do the Trahan tree here. Find two numbers that multiply to 45, that would be 9 times 5. 5 is a prime, so you circle it. And then 9 breaks down into 3 times 3, and 3's are primes. Okay, what do I have a match of? I have a match of 3's. So I take a 3 and I bring it out front. Okay, I use the match, and then what's left over? That 5 right here, so the 5 stays inside the square root. So that missing side is 3 square root of 5, and since that's not a nice whole number, then no, it's not a triple because of the 3 square root of 5 isn't a whole number. Okay?